Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze ayah number 24 of Surah Mulk. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now this ayah begins with the word qul. Now this is easy. You all are familiar with this word. Easy inshallah ta'ala. Just make your qaf heavy without air and join it with the lam and give your lam moderate timing. Do not bounce it. Huwaladhi, you are familiar with these words too. Alhamdulillah. What will you do? Your ha should be given 1 count. Circle your lips for your dhamma. Your waw should join with the lam, mushaddad. And then your lam should be light. And your zal over here should be given 2 counts because it is with ya maddiya. And also take care of the makhraj of zal. Now moving on to this word, zarwa'akum. Now here, take care of the makhraj of zal. It should be 1 count. Ra should be heavy and it should be 1 count. Hamza should be light and it should be 1 count. And your kaf should join with the meme. Okay, zarwa'akum. Now here, your fa should join with the lam. Okay, and your fa should be light, your lam should be light, your lam should be given moderate timing. Take care that you do not bounce it. Your hamza should join with the ra. Your ra should be heavy and it should be given moderate timing, inshallah ta'ala. And your dad should be from its makhraj. Please do not read your dad like ra, neither like za nor like dal. Okay, both have its own makhraj. Take care of that, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, it should be articulated from the sides of your tongue. Okay, it should be fil ardi. Okay, your thoughts should be heavy over here. Do not read it like dwi. Okay, don't circle your lips and don't give that what sound. The dot should be made heavy by raising the back part of your tongue. Okay, ضي في الأرض. Okay, وإليه تحشرون. Circle your lips for the vowel. Should be given like 1 count, and your hamza should be given 1 count. Here is the lean, so make sure that your lean is complete. Lay, not le. Okay, lay. He should be given 1 count and the sound should be that sharp. Okay, so it's really easy, inshallah ta'ala. Now, when you read this, join your ta with the ha, and your ha should be having that sharp sound and run your ha. Okay, sheen should be 1 count with the spreading sound sh, and your ra should be made heavy. Your noon at the end should be given moderate timing. So, alhamdulillah, this ayah is very easy. So, practice well with the shaykh, inshallah ta'ala. جزاكم الله خير والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.